Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to compare past and present habits using used to and adverbs of frequency. Let's begin with the key points. Past habits versus present habits. Comparing past and present habits. Talking about family and friends habits. Practice examples. Summary. Past habits versus present habits. Let's quickly review used to. We use used to talk about things that happened regularly in the past but don't happen anymore. For example, I used to watch cartoons every morning, but now I don't. My grandmother used to bake bread every Sunday, but now she doesn't. To describe current habits, we use adverbs of frequency to say how often we do something. For example, I always drink coffee in the morning. She sometimes exercises after work. They never eat fast food. Comparing past and present habits. Now, let's compare past and present habits using used to and adverbs of frequency. Past. I used to eat fast food every day. Now, I rarely eat fast food. Past. She used to go to bed late. Now, she usually goes to bed early. Past. We used to travel a lot. Now, we sometimes go on vacation. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I used to eat fast food every day. Now, I rarely eat it. She used to go to bed late. Now, she usually goes to bed early. We used to travel a lot. Now, we sometimes go on vacation. Excellent. Talking about family and friends habits. We can also use used to and adverbs of frequency to talk about how our family and friends habits have changed. For example, my dad used to smoke, but now he never does. My grandmother used to wake up at 5 a.m., but now she sometimes sleeps late. My best friend used to love watching cartoons, but now she rarely watches TV. Practice examples. Now, let's practice asking and answering these questions. Repeat after me. What did you used to do when you were younger that you never do now? I used to drink soda every day, but now I never drink it. What did your family used to do in the past that they rarely do now? My parents used to cook dinner at home, but now they often eat out. What is something you usually do now that you didn't used to do before? I didn't used to exercise, but now I always go to the gym. Now repeat after me these sentences. I used to play video games every weekend, but now I rarely play. My brother used to eat a lot of chocolate, but now he never eats it. We used to go to the beach in the summer, but now we sometimes go to the mountains instead. Nice. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Used to describes past habits that don't happen anymore. I used to watch cartoons every morning. Adverbs of frequency describe how often we do something now. I rarely watch TV now. We can compare past and present using both. My sister used to be shy, but now she always speaks in public. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.